Hello everybody, it's Herbie again. I'm working on my Venom SS3 Life KP 150 Mini, and had a couple issues. One is my petcock was leaking. I solved that pretty easily just by putting some Teflon tape on it and putting my petcock back on. I had another issue. After I fixed that leak, I noticed that I still had a little bit of gas smell. So I came over here and I took the tank off, and there was gas inside of this little cup here. So I took this thing out, as you can see, and that's the float. And I'm not really sure. I think these bolts just weren't tight enough, but I'm going to put it back in and try it in a minute. But I want to show you the function of this real quick. Okay, this is the sending unit for the fuel. It tells you how much fuel is in your tank. I just want to show you, it plugs in right here. If I plug it in, and this float here, as you can see, there's nothing attached to it. So my thought is it's got to be magnetic. Well, my float wasn't working very well before. I don't know if it was hanging up on here or what. I want to show you I tested it. So all you have to do to test it is, here, I'll turn it where you can see. It's kind of a glare there, but you can see it flashing. Here's the fuel gauge right here. Okay, see, that's all the way down as if it was empty. I'll move it all the way up, and it takes a little while for it to respond, which is good because you don't want it to jump around every time you hit a bump or whatever. So you can see it's climbing. And it's going to continue. There's another bar. Like I say, it's a little bit slow, which is normal. That's the way it's supposed to function. But if you wanted to test yours to see if yours was bad, if yours wasn't reading correctly, this is how you could do it. I see it's showing a full tank now. It's got all the bars. And see, before, whenever this was in my bike, I couldn't get more than 4 bars off of it, even when it was completely full. And I tested the float, put it in some water, and it tested fine. Now see, I'm moving it down, and you can see it's dropping down. I got it about half a tank, and it's dropped down to about half a tank. Now let me drop it all the way down, and it should go back to flashing again. See, there it goes, it's flashing again. So it's operating correctly. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that in case you ever have trouble with this. And if yours is leaking, there's a good possibility that these 2 bolts might just be loose. So you might just need to give them a little squinge to tighten it up. And I'm going to do that to mine, and I'm going to see what happens. If it leaks, I'll tell you that on the next video. All right, thanks for watching.